Hello there, this is a no-nonsense video from Teacher Richard, the Bonnie lad, on how to form breakout rooms in Google Meet. Now the first thing you have to do is download two apps. These are the Mute tab and Tab Resize apps. Tab Resize will actually give you the frame for your breakout rooms. And I'm going to call this the main room, so that when a student changes class, they don't have to hear it called by a different name. So I press join. Don't need this box. Do not pin this room to the bar. This will help you distinguish it from the other slides because it will be a bigger tab. So what do you do next? You mute the tab, and then you open the chat. And this is where you're going to pin the links for the other rooms. We go to the Google Waffle, open Meet, open the classroom. And I'm going to give it a name. My rooms are named after fruit. So this one's apple. Continue. And then I'm going to join the room. Now this time you notice I'm going to pin it. And the room slides to the top right hand corner, and you can see that it's a different size to the other tab. I'm going to dismiss this box because I don't need it. I'm going to go to mute, and then I'm going to repeat the sequence again. Meet, name, join, pin, mute, repeat. So if we look along the top bar, we've got 4 breakout rooms which are muted, and we've got the main room that the students will go to, and all the students will appear in this main room. What we're going to do now is turn these 4 tabs into breakout rooms, but first we must make sure this first tab, which I've called Apple, is turned on. Then we go to Tab Resizing, we click on, and we'll see right across the top are the last 4 configurations that we use. Now we need 4 rooms, a main room, and we need a web page room or somewhere we can put our lesson plan. That gives 6 rooms. So 2 times 3 is 6. We click on this and you will notice all 6 rooms open, all the microphones are switched off, and if they're not, you can switch them off. We're going to open the chat in the main room, and we're going to write the name of each room in the chat along with its link. We can open this room up and we can see that we've got the names of the rooms and the links, and we copy these. Now you can copy them to Word, you can copy them to Google Docs, Google Classrooms, Google Slides. You must keep a copy of them. All the students in the main room can see the links in chat, and these links are their keys to the rooms. The first thing you must ensure is that all the students' microphones must be switched off in the main room. They can only turn their microphones on when they're in the breakout room that they've been nominated to. Your mic will be switched off as well. What you must do is make sure that the students understand the tasks, that they have access to all the nods emojis, and they also have access to the chat in the breakout room. They will be able to talk to each other, they will be able to hear each other. You can also ask them for feedback so that when they come out of the room, you can find out whether they've heard the other students or not. And that tells you that the system is working. Allocate the students to the rooms and ask them to click on the link. A good idea is for the teacher to go first. Sometimes there's an access denied panel, and that has to be clicked to allow the students in. After they've started using the rooms, they will become accustomed to admitting access to the panel for the other students. The teacher can go back to the main room now and accompany the other students to the other classes. The teacher can visit all of the rooms, but must have the microphone turned off, and can answer questions and speak, but only when necessary. You can record everything in the rooms. To listen, you just unmute the room that you want to listen to. The students can see you in the room. When the task is finished, the students just close the room with a click on the X, and they will reappear in the main room. If the teacher requires, the students can go back to the rooms with different partners just by clicking on the link again. When the activity is finished and the class is finished, the links can be reused for the following class. I hope that's been of some use to you. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.